Hello, this is the 10.1 worksheet. Some of you asked if I would go through this and explain each of the answers and show my work. So here it is. All right, we need to name the circle. Well, we always do that by just naming it after the center point. So this is circle A. Name two radii. Okay, well, a radii goes from the center to the edge. So we have AD. And the other one that we have is we have AB. Because again, this is from the center to the edge. So we have AB and AD. Next, we're asked to find some chords. A chord just means it goes from one side of the circle to the other. So we have HC. Now remember, a chord is a line segment. The other one that we have is here, BD. But you might be saying, Mr. Hunter, isn't BD the diameter? And you'd be right, it is. But remember, a diameter is a special chord. All right, let's keep going. A secant. Well, somebody told me it's just a longer chord. So let's see. Looks like HC. Line HC. Or CH, whichever way you want to write this. And then finally, name a tangent. Well, a tangent just touches the circle once. So here we go. There's our tangent, GB. All right, next we are asked to tell if AB is a tangent. Well, we know a tangent and a radius meet at 90. So I am checking to see if this is true. If it's true, I can use Pythagorean theorem. So hypotenuse, 13 squared equals leg squared plus leg squared. And I'm just checking to see if those numbers are the same. Well, 13 squared is 169. Nice. 11 squared is 121. And 5 squared is 25. I can combine these two numbers, and I get that 169 equals 146. Well, that ain't true. So our answer is no. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm checking to see if the tangent and the radius meet at 90. So I have a right triangle, Pythagorean theorem. 100. 36, 64. 100 equals 100. So the answer is yes. They are tangent. Okay, this time it tells me they're tangent, so I know that this is true on this one and on this one. Well, I've got a right triangle, Pythagorean theorem. Now, the mistake a lot of students are making is they don't know how to write the hypotenuse. Well, the hypotenuse is 9 and r, or r plus 9. And that's going to equal 15 squared, because it's Pythagorean theorem, and r squared. So this is r plus 9 twice. 15 squared and r squared. So we can FOIL. R times r is r squared. 9r. 9r. 9 times 9, 81. All right, now I'm just going to kind of clean some stuff up real quickly. So I have r squared plus 18r plus 81 equals 225 plus r squared. I can subtract r squared from both sides. I can subtract 81 from both sides. Just going to come over here where I have more room. So I have 18r left equals 225 minus 81, which is 144. Then our last step, This is 18 times r, so we're going to do the opposite. 144 divided by 18, which is 8. Cool. Last one. All right, the hypotenuse is r plus 9 squared. That's going to equal 21 squared plus r squared. All right, this is r plus 9 twice. Where have I seen this before? Oh, yeah, the last problem. 21 squared is 441. All right, we know these cancel, and I can subtract 81. 18r equals 441 minus 81, which is 360, and then we can divide by 18. So r is 360 divided by 18, which is 20. All right, last one. It tells us there's a point of tangency, so I know that since these share a point, they are equal. So I can subtract 2x, x minus 4 equals 1. I can add 4, so x is 5. All right, same thing over here. They share a point of tangency, so they are the same length. Maybe I'll do this all at once. 3x, 0, 0, 15. X equals 5. And I'm not going to do the last one. I'm going to leave it as extra credit for you. So make sure you do the last one. You might notice there's a right triangle. So that's all I've got for you. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. I hope I did that right. If I didn't, hashtag cringe. Have a good one.